Hello? What happened? Mom is sick. Oh no, that sounds serious. What happened?
Honey, you look really nervous.
My mom isn't feeling well, and I'm really worried.
I understand. Let's go see her together.
Did Dad say travel? Are we going somewhere? I think so, Lily. Dad, I heard that Grandma was sick. Is she okay?
She's recovering. Don't worry, dear.
That's exciting! Are we flying? I love airplanes! I want the window seat!
Okay, kids, calm down. We need to pack first.
Wow! 5 suitcases! They're so colorful! Why do we need so many suitcases?
One big one should be enough.
Let me tell you a funny story from my last trip. I packed way too much and my suitcase wouldn't close. Then I lost my car key and had to unpack everything.
Wow, that sounds like a mess, Dad!
Oh, ooh. Everyone gets a sticker for your suitcase.
Why do we need stickers? Oh. They're cute, though.
Stickers help you find your bag at a busy airport.
Oh. I get it. I'm kind of clumsy.
Why is your suitcase full of toys instead of clothes? Clothes are more important. You can bring one toy.
Sorry. I think it will be really fun when I bring many toys.
I packed my books and clothes very carefully.
Let's head out. Don't forget your passport.
Hey, Kitty. Wanna come with us?
No pets on the plane. Those are the rules. Leave it at home.
Don't worry. I'll hide you safely.
Please put your bags here and stand in line. Excuse me. Is that a cat in here?
Sir, we found a cat inside your daughter's backpack.
You can leave it to us. We will put him with other pets. He will be safe.
Be safe. I'll see you soon.
We're boarding now. Let's go.
Wow, the plane is so big.
Please fasten your seatbelt. We're taking off soon.
The clouds look like cotton.
It's magical.
I'm bored. I'm gonna prank Lily.
Wake up, sleepyhead.
Stop it, Luna. You're being silly.
This is funny. No, Luna. Don't throw things. I just wanted to play with you. There. Don't play like that. Oh no. It fell. Girls.
Throwing things is not allowed on the airplane. Please be careful and follow the rules.
Sorry.
I'm very sorry about their behavior. They won't do it again.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Please remind them to be careful.
Sorry, Lily. I didn't mean to make you upset.
It's okay, Luna. I'm sorry too.
Let's play nicely. Give it to me. I want it first. No. It's my turn now.
Please calm down and follow the rules.
It's enough. We must talk.
Luna, we must follow the rules on the airplane. No running, no throwing things, and always be polite.
Yes, Dad, I will.
Lily, no yelling and no running on the airplane. Always be careful and polite with others.
Yes, Mom, I will. Kitty, we got you.
Finally, Kitty is safe. My dear girls, I've missed you so much. Grandma.
We're here. Hi, Grandma.
We're so happy to see you, Grandma. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.